Hey guys, welcome to my garage. Those of you with a keenest eye might have noticed that this is not a motorcycle. This is my personal car and is the subject of my very first four-wheel video. I hope you guys enjoy it because it's a lot of fun to make videos and I do a lot of work on four wheels as well. There's gonna be motorcycles, it's gonna be primarily motorcycles, but from time to time I'm gonna add one of those videos to the channel. In this specific video, I'm gonna replace the gasket on the headlight. The gasket costs around $80 from a reputable dealer, and bonus, Porsche gives you all the tools you need to do this on your own. So why would you go and spend $200, $300, maybe $400 from a dealer to do something you can do on your own in less than an hour? But enough with the chit chat, let's get on it. Remember when I said that Porsche gives you everything you need to remove the headlight? I wasn't kidding. Look at this. First of all, open up. To remove the headlight with a Porsche key, it's very simple. You don't have to pull anything off the car. You just stick the tool at an angle into the hole that shows the headlight and lock or unlock. You literally just twist it to the left like this to unlock it, or to the right to relock it. And that is about it, and the headlight comes out. It's a little fiddly, but then you're gonna feel it, or if you want, you can look through here and be able to see what you're doing with the tip. So let's do just that, and let's pull the headlight out. And this is the route that the tool takes to get down to the locking mechanism. And the locking mechanism is very simple. It's like unlock and locked. Now mine doesn't stay in place because Porsche didn't use the best plastics in this car, so everything gets brittle, and if you push on it you're liable to break apart, just like this, that pretty much the shroud around is super fragile and breaks if you push. As a matter of fact, you guys can see it's kind of broken and I should replace it. This is what I meant when I said that the gasket around, it's actually brittle and it deteriorates over time. Now it's very sticky and it leaves those black marks on my finger, and if I pull on it, it literally breaks apart and it's like goo. So let's see exactly how to remove it without breaking anything else. You start from this point and you just pull up, just like that, and that is out. You might want to use a screwdriver or something flat so to pull the rest of the tabs out, just like I'm doing right here. But let's go all around and let's remove it. We remove the old gooey, disgusting gasket from the headlight. Fairly easy. And I have a brand new OEM gasket from Porsche, or Porsche, depends which school of thought you're in. In Italy, as far as I know, we call it Porsche. I could never afford one, so I'm not quite sure. I elected to buy the genuine Porsche part. You do what you think is best. There are aftermarket that are way cheaper, and some of them even come from Germany. So you decide which one you like. So we got to put these on. But before I do that, there is one thing. The previous owner elected to use one of those scam rejuvenate your headlight kind of whatever that was, and it doesn't freaking work. Why would you do some like this and apply it with a sponge or a brush. And I don't know if you guys can see that the brush stroke on the lens, which is, it's really beautiful, especially for this headlight. Is the LED, it's an option. So I'm gonna polish the headlight properly, like it's supposed to be done, and hopefully I can rejuvenate the headlight and mostly fix what the previous owner did. I'm gonna do that, and when I'm ready, we'll put the new gasket in and put it back on the car. So I polished the headlight, and this is the final result. It's an incredible result for what it used to look like. So it's time to put a new gasket around it and call it good. The installation is the opposite of the disassembly. So we start from this side this time around, so the front side over there, and we work our way around the headlight. Once you have the gasket in your hands and the headlight in your hands, you'll understand why this way around. It's a hook over here and it's a tab in the back. So the hook needs to be done first. Last tab, and this one right here. And that's it. The new gasket is installed. It's not sticky, it's not crumbling. So let's put it on the I was about to say on the bike. Let's put it on the car. The installation on the car is very simple. It's plug the light back on it. And then just slide it in. Remember, if your car is as old as mine and it's the tab that holds this in place is broken, you just twist it towards the open side and then slide in the headlight itself. There you go. And the installation is complete. Very simple, it doesn't take long, and you're not gonna sweat at all. Now, if you guys are wondering why my armpits got emotional and started crying, well, it's because I'm inside the garage, it's hot, and I was scrubbing by hand and polishing the headlight itself. If you don't have to polish your headlight, replacing the gasket, super easy, and now there are less chances of water getting into your engine bay through the headlight. It's much more tight, and it's the way it's supposed to be. So easy, you just save yourself $200, $300, maybe $400 depending where you are, and this is about it. So thank you very much to my patrons. You guys are the best, and I hope you're gonna support me through this extended endeavor. For everything I used in this video, check the description down below for links. Other than that, if you want to support the channel, but you don't want to become a patron, just subscribe, that's enough, and that will work with YouTube and their mysterious stuff that they go in the background. But dai tutti, and I'll see you next time.